The study was designed as an observational study. Ethical permission was obtained from the Institutional Ethics Review Committee. Inclusion and exclusion criteria were set, and each participant was asked to sign the informed consent, and participation is entirely voluntary. On the scheduled day of FPS determination, saliva collection was also done. FPS results was then placed on the sealed envelope for the allocation concealment. For the salivary glucose determination, glucose go assay kit was used. Laboratory personnel involved in the estimation of serum and salivary glucose were blinded. Data was then tabulated and analyzed using Stata, and a p-value of less than 0.05 was set as a significant value. The saliva collection was adopted as described by Macarenas, Fatela, and Barahona 2014. Participants were asked to fast in the night for 8 hours and in the morning prior to the sampling. Collection of saliva was done on the same day of their serum glucose level determination. Saliva was collected first in the early morning from the fasting subjects using the spitting method. Once collected, it was immediately put on the ice and transported to the laboratory and centrifuged for 30 minutes at 4 degrees Celsius to separate squamous cells and debris. The sediments was discarded and the samples were kept on the freezer until the measurement for glucose was done. Salivary glucose determination was performed using the colorimetric kit Glucose-Go assay based on the glucose oxidase reaction. Saliva samples were diluted to approximately 20 to 80 microgram glucose per ml. The standard protocol was adopted. Absorbance values was measured at 540 nanometer and salivary glucose level was determined using this formula.